Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for October the 11th, Thursday afternoon. Getting ready to head out of the office right now and head to Cloverport to watch our Lady Tigers compete in the 11th District Championship game against Meade. So I'd like to wish them good luck tonight. We had a great week back after returning from fall break. Tomorrow is the conclusion of our first 9 weeks. So I've been kind of stressing this to students all week this week to finish strong. So they can finish this first 9 weeks out on a good note. So tomorrow is the last day. We will be handing out report cards on Wednesday during the Fall Parent-Teacher Conference. That'll be from 3:30 to 5:30. So I do encourage all parents out there or guardians to come out there to come by on Wednesday, grab your report card, and go visit your child's some of your child's teachers if you'd like to. It's always a great day to for us to get to interact with you and to solidify that partnership that we need to have in order for your child to have the most success they can have. Tomorrow night, our Fighting Tiger football team will travel to John Hardin in a district matchup. I'd like to wish them good luck. This weekend, our Tiger Marching Band will be in competition in Grayson County, so good luck to them. Also on Sunday, our Heartland Men's Chorus Fest will be hosted here by our chorus. That'll be in the Commons and Auditorium if you'd like to participate in that. That is for all ages from 7 years old to 100 years old. Come out and participate in that fun, eventful day. Again, next week will be our Fall Parent-Teacher Conference on Wednesday the 17th. Also next week, our Fighting Tiger JV football team will compete on Monday at Evanston County. And our freshman JV team will be at Hancock County on Thursday the 18th. Our Lady Tiger volleyball team will be in action next week, but we will not find that out until Saturday morning at the draw. But they will be competing in the 3rd Region tournament next week, and that will be at Muhlenberg County. So I'd like to wish them good luck at that. Next Friday, Western Michigan University will be here to visit with some of our students that are interested in being in our aviation program. And also next Sunday, our Breckenridge County High School choir will be having their fall concert. That'll be from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the auditorium. And that concludes this edition of the Tiger Minute. Everybody have a great day, work really hard, and be a champion.